If you want more people to find your business online without having to post every single day or even multiple times a day, this is for you. This Black Friday, I'm doing something I've never done before. For just $7, I'm hosting a live training to show you how to use ChatGPT to write a blog post that actually attracts clients, even if you've never blogged before or feel like you have no idea what to say. You'll get my full step-by-step process, plus the CustomGPT tool I built to help you write in your own voice, not sound like a robot. And here's the big deal. Blogging isn't just about content anymore. It's one of the smartest ways to show up in both Google and in tools like ChatGPT. This training helps you boost visibility with SEO and AEO, so more of the right people can find you. We go live on Wednesday, December 3rd, but the doors to grab your seat open on Black Friday. Spots are limited. Watch for the link and make sure to grab yours before they're gone.